Hey guys, it's Sophia Styles. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to do an Amazon unboxing today. We're going to go through some of the new items I've ordered for some better lighting with my Olympus pen. So as you can see, I already have quite a few packages to unbox. First, we're going to start with the Neewer ring light, and let's get started. So I'll get started with the unboxing of the Neewer ring light. That's, I think, the 18-inch option. I will link in the description below exactly which one I ordered. So far it looks like it's very well packaged. So hang on with me just for a few minutes. We will get this box open once and for all. Let's turn this around. At this point, if you are looking to start your own YouTube channel or you would like to have some good content, this is a great way to get good light for very affordable. Let's just hang out with me there. I got the bigger one, the 18-inch one, because I wanted to make my life easier, make it a proper setup that I can just leave out. And I did order a smaller one as well. So if you don't have space for this big one, I recommend that you check out some of their other models, which are perfect to put on your desk. And you can get quite the job done with that. I just really wanted a bigger ring light just to make my life a little bit easier as well. I'm very tall, so I find that a lot of camera stands are a little bit low and they just don't give you that height you want. This is the big moment. Let's try and see what this looks like. So this is the ring light. Look at this. So I'm not so sure yet how it works. I'm gonna have to read the instructions as to how this all comes together, where you put all the pieces, and to make sure I have everything I need. So let's take a look at what is in this accessory box. According to Amazon, it comes with a few different filters, a few different effects, coloring, so you can switch up the vibe of your videos pretty easily. So hang with me for a second. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Neewer ring light, and if you've ever tried some of their products, and what you like or don't like, and if you have any suggestions as to what other brands to give a go. Okay, so a lot of accessories. Finally got the little manual, so we'll be looking at that in a little bit. Charger. Alright, so it seems like these are some of the different filters that Amazon was on about. There's a darker shade of orange, some white ones. I'm not so sure at this stage whether this is normal or whether I am missing a cover. So I will have to look at the instructions to make sure that I definitely have everything. Oh yeah, and this other thing as well is I believe this will help me control basically when the camera goes on and off with the lighting. And there should be a holder that fits for your camera and your iPhone so that you can adjust all of that. So that's it for the Neewer ring light. I mean, so far it's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's big. It's very big. So it should give me all the light I want. I will install it tomorrow when I make sure that I have everything. And let's move on to my other studio lights. And this is why it's important to really look through the box before panicking. I did find the extra piece I was missing that will go right over here. So yeah. So here it is, guys. This is the Neewer light with the 18-inch. It's super sturdy. I mean, I'm amazed about how tall this thing is. It can go so much higher than what I've got it set at right now. And the brightness is great. You can actually adjust it just with a few flicks. I will show you in just a few seconds. To install it, it actually took 5 minutes. You gotta just twist and turn a few knobs. It really isn't that hard. There's instructions, and anybody can just about do it. Just give me a second. I'm gonna show you guys how you can just simply dim it. And you can set it at different brightness, which is really cool. It's just very easy. The other thing I love is you've got this little adapter here for your phone, so you can shoot vertical or horizontal. You just got to twist it the other way around. And you also have the same thing for your camera. You can basically put in your camera in and shoot horizontally all your videos. And these are also the other filters that came with the light. Very easy to switch out. Doesn't take very long. You just slide them in. This is great if you want like a warmer color tone, while this is perfect for any bright videos you want to shoot for like makeup tutorials or fashion videos. So I will move on now to my next lights that I'll be opening, but I really recommend this. Check out the link below in my description. I'm going to definitely link this. I can't wait to try it with my camera and see the results and how much better the lighting will be with my Olympus pen. So this one is a heavy one. It's actually from Craphy. Like I was mentioning, I'd been reading that a lot of these soft lights that you see a lot of the professionals use can really help improve your video content and lighting. So I ordered this. Apparently it's supposed to come with loads of accessories and this nice pouch from what I can see so far is there. So let me put this down for 1 sec and get it out for you. Here we go. So nice and easy. Seems to come already packaged in a really nice bag. It's perfect for traveling. It's not too heavy, actually, once you get it out of the box. So let's have a look at what this looks like. I'd read a lot of good reviews about these. Of course, you could spend thousands of dollars, and if you have it, why not? But for someone who's just starting out, this could be perfect setup and all you need. So it looks like we have quite a few different boxes and different things, which is exciting. So I will have a look at this and get back to you in just a second with what's in all these nice bags. So I'm super excited. I actually have one of the lights installed, but before I show you, I am going to explain what you do have here, because basically I've installed the first light, but I haven't installed the second one. So let me put this over here so you guys can see a bit better. So basically, the main thing over here is you have this really cool light. It even has like the logo. Basically, all you have to do with this is open it up. You're going to push down on this. Go slowly so you don't break it. Then you're going to twist into it the light bulb, which comes in this little box here. show you. It's a really big light bulb, so be really careful when you install it. Don't screw it on too tight. There you go. Super professional. And then, once you've done that, you actually have this little bag here. Sorry, that is not a great view. But basically, this is the filter. So this is what makes the light soft and pretty so that you can look your best. Basically, it's super easy to understand. There's some Velcros on there, and you basically just go and put it on to other places where you see the Velcro. And then when it's all done, you won't be able to see the inside. It will just be this nice filter. Don't forget to put the light bulb in before you do that. And then, just 1 second, I will show you guys. It's a tripod. Again, that was pretty easy to install. It didn't take very long, about 5 minutes. Once you get a grip of all these tripods and stuff, it all becomes pretty much the same. Just make sure you read the instructions before, because that really helps. So there you go. Here is the tripod. Sorry, it's a bit out of focus. Yeah, so basically the tripod is right here. It does open up and become quite big after a while. I will show you actually what it looks like and just how tall it is. Just make sure it's plugged in. So here you go. This is it from the back. And it can go a lot taller than this as well. And here you go. This is it with the light on. So it looks really cool. It's really great. It seems to work really well, actually. I'm really impressed because usually you have to spend a lot of money to get this kind of lighting. And once I have the 2 of them set up, plus the ring light, I think it will be the perfect mini setup for anyone that wants to do videos at home and wants to get started without splurging too much. So there you go. So there you have it. I will link to all the items in my description below. Let me know what you think, and if you have any reviews yourself of the items or any suggestions of other things that I should try. And thanks for tuning in, and don't. Hey guys, so this is it for my YouTube haul of my Amazon lights. So make sure to check out the links below if you're interested in trying these items yourself. I can't wait to see what difference they make in my next videos. Make sure to subscribe. I'm Sophia Styles, and I will see you in the next video.